Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I am Mirza Beg and I am your Quant educator, and today I am going to discuss a very important segment from your Quant chapter. What is the segment and how can we elaborate? As you can see, it is written in front that the topic would be number system. In earlier days of examination, it was asked oftenly, but nowadays these are very few questions have been asked in banking examination. So now today I am going to discuss some of the very important questions from your number system, so you can have a clear idea about how the concept is behaving, because we have to deal with certain numbers. Let me introduce you myself. As you can see my name, you can call me Beg sir, and I have relevant years of experience in teaching in this sector. I have taught in many organizations like Mahindra Education and Career Power Adda. So now let's move on to the topic and let's see what the topic is saying. Alright, number system belongs to certain questions belongs on numbers. Okay, so you should remember. Look at this question. The sum of 9 consecutive odd numbers. So basically it is given as odd, and I am going to give you a very important trick to solve this kind of questions. As you can see, it is odd numbers, set A, and these are 621 because they have given you a sum. What is the sum of different set of 6 consecutive even numbers? Okay, so we have to find the set of even numbers whose lowest number is 15 more than the lowest number set of A. Now let me get you the question. First of all, you should understand that a consecutive even number or a consecutive odd number sum depends on its total number of elements. Let's say that you have got 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you count this 8, 6, 14 and 14, 4, 18, 18 and 20. Now as you know that the sum would be 20, and if you find an average of these numbers, you'll get 4. You will get 5 divide by 5, 4 divide by 4. So you'll get 5 because the number of terms are even, so it will give its average in between the two numbers. Now what will happen if the number of terms becomes 5? Then its average will itself a middle term. So middle term is 6, hence the whole average of these numbers will be 6, and rest of the 2 will be around the 6 number. Now as you can see that we have got consecutive odd number set, and it is given as 621. It is the sum of 9 consecutive odd numbers sum. Now as you can see, it is given as 621, so we have to divide by 9 to find the middle value of that consecutive even numbers. And you can see that 9 6 are 54 and 9 9s are 81. Now as you can see that this is the middle term, and the next 4 are ahead and the next 4 are backward. So it would be 71, 73, 75 and 76. Hence 67, 65, 63 and 61. So these are the first 4 and these are the last 4, and the middle term is the average of the total odd consecutive even numbers. But as you can see that the situation says that the sum of the different set of 6 consecutive even numbers whose lowest number is 15 more than the lowest number of set A. So basically set A's lowest number is 61 and 15 more would be 76. Alright, as you can see, but we have to find the 6 consecutive even numbers. Now as you can see that 78, 80, 82, 84 and 86. Now as you can see, we have got all the 6 consecutive even numbers according to this condition. Now as we know that the number of terms in consecutive even numbers are even, so we have to take the middle value of these two numbers, and we'll get the average according to this. Just we have to multiply with 6, so we can get a correct answer. So correct answer is 486, and according to this, your option E will be a correct one. You don't have to find, you don't have to solve this question through X, because it will make the questions complicated. So basically this is a trick of solving a particular question. I hope you understand this question. Let's move on to the next question. As you can see, the sum, the denominator of the two fractions are 5 and 7 respectively. The sum of these fractions are 41 by 35. On interchanging the numbers, their sum becomes 43 by 35. Then find the fractions. Now how can you find the fraction? Look, in this type of question you can go through options. It will be a easy method. But if you want to go through a concept, you have to know about something, because these are the denominator terms of two fractions. So as you know that it will be x by 5 and y by 7, because 5 and 7 will be a denominator terms. And if you find the sum of these terms, you'll get 41 by 35. That means you will get 7x plus 5y is equal to 41. And if you interchange the numerators, that means you will get y by 5 plus x by 7, and you will get the sum as 43 by 35. Now you can solve it by the second equation. As you can see, you will get the second equation as 5y plus as you can see that, sorry, 7y, because we're taking LCM. All right, now we will get 7y plus 5x is equal to 43. Now we have got the two equations. You can solve these two equations or either go by the option. Both of them will be easy. As you can see, we have to get the sum. 12x plus y stands for 84. That means x plus y stands for 7. Hence 7x plus 5y, sorry, is equal to 41. Now as you can see, you can multiply by 5 and subtract or eliminate them. Then hence you will get 2x is equal to 6. That means x is equal to 3. That means your first fraction would be 3 and your second fraction would be 4. That means 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, as you can see. But you have to, sorry, it will be 3 by 5 and 3 by 7, because only then you will get the value according to this situation. Okay, now you can solve it by putting the value here, and y will get, sorry, it will get 4. Okay, so x will come as 3 and y will come as 4. Hence you will solve the question quickly. Okay, so I hope you understand this question, because the question was very easy. It just needs a simple concept to solve this kind of question. Okay, now I hope you understood. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question says that in a 3-digit number, the digit in the units place is twice the digit in the tens place and 1.5 times the. So basically you have got the 3-digit number. So how can you solve it? As you know that the 2-digit number will be written as 10x plus y. Hence 3-digit number will be written as 100x plus 10y plus z. So basically you have got each digits variable. Now you will make a relation between them. The first condition says that in a 3-digit number, the units place is twice the digit in the tens place. So basically what is units place? It's z, twice the tens place. So basically z ratio y equals to 2:1. Okay, now let's move on to the next condition. The next and so basically they're also talking about units place and 1.5 times the digit in the hundreds place. That means 3:2. What you have to do is to make the units digit equal, make the ratio of units digit equal by multiplying 3 with above ratio and 2 with the below ratio. Hence you'll get the ratio of z, y and x in terms of 6, 3 and 4. Now as you can see that if they put a sum of all the three digits, they will get equal to 13. Hence 13 ratio equals to 13, 1 ratio equals to 1. That means the unit digit will be 6, 10 will be 3, and 100th digit will be 4. So as you can see that you have got the 3-digit number, put the value in this number, so you can get a clear idea. 436 would be a correct answer, or you can go by the option, but it would be easy if you use the ratio method. As I have told you that the ratio method is a very important method, and you just need to you just try to crack every question by this method. All right, let's move on. Certain number of pieces of an article are to be picked in boxes such that each box contains 145 pieces. So basically one box contains 145 pieces. If after packing them in 32 boxes, what will happen if you pack a 145 pieces of a box in 32 boxes? You will multiply it with 32. 25 pieces are left out. What was the number of pieces to be packed? So basically they are asking about the number of pieces. Had they asked you about how many pieces left or how many pieces were there when we were packing, so basically if they asked you about how many pieces were there, okay, what you will do, you will multiply 145 with 32 and then add 25. But in this case you will just multiply with 32 to 145 and you'll get the correct answer. As you can see, only one zero is there, so you don't have to solve all the data. Just use your mind. This is the basic trick which I'm telling you, and you need to understand. You have to be sharp enough. You have to be sharp enough to deal such kind of situations. All right, let's move on to the next question. As you can see, A, B, C, D are 5 consecutive even numbers. If the sum of A and D is 162, what is the sum of all the numbers? So you will say that we haven't got any kind of number or an average value, so we won't be able to find solution. But here you are wrong. A, B, C, D, E are the 5 consecutive even numbers. So basically each one is relating with the previous one. Now let's say that X is the middle term or an average of the consecutive even number, but they have given you the sum of first and fourth number. So basically it would be x plus 2, x plus 4 and x minus 2, x minus 4. What you can do is to take the sum of these two numbers. So you'll get 2x minus 2 is equal to 162, hence 2x is equal to 164, x is equal to 82. That means the middle term was 82. What you can do is just multiply it with 5 and you'll get the correct answer. That means the answer would be 410. Hence the option E will be a correct one. I hope you all understood the concept of a consecutive even numbers or consecutive odd numbers. Okay, consecutive numbers solution should have been asked in every question, and it will ask. All right, so here is your homework question. I hope you will put a answer on the comment box so you can get a clear idea. Okay, just post the answer in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed this session. All right, here first of all you need to install Entri app from Play Store. Remember that you will only get this, and you will get Entri app on Play Store, and you can give, by installing the Entri app from Play Store, you can give any test. All right, you can give any test. In fact, we are providing free mock test whose link has been given in the description of this video. All right, so you just need to understand. And what else you can get? You will get all the courses available on all the video courses available. As you can see, we have got bank foundation course available and RRB crash course available. So all the things will be available on this platform. So you just go over there and watch all the videos of mine as well. I have put some of the videos, so you can go there and watch my videos on Entri app. All right, now what you else can do? You can give test. As I have told you that you can give free mock test, and that is available. You can give you can get PDF and all the things of current affairs belongs to current affairs on the Entri app. As you can see that if you wanted to give SBI Clerk mains, you will get LICAAO, IBPS SO, SBI PO, RRB, assistant, everything you will get. And after giving the test, you can analyze your score. As you can see that how many correct questions you have done, how many wrong questions you have done, how many unanswered you have done, how many percentage of correct are there, and what would be your score, how many time you have spent on a particular question. So all the things will be related to your test will be available on this particular app. I hope you will enjoy, and don't forget to install this Entri app, and don't forget to join our YouTube channel as well. We are providing everything we can so you can have a clear idea or clear preparation about this concept. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. All right, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks for there.